We finally made it! After years of dreaming, hoping, waiting, we got to visit the Harry Potter studio tour in Leavesden, England. And let me just say, if you are even a little bit of a Potterhead, you will cry. Now, first things first, even though it's called the Harry Potter Studio Tour London, it's actually in Leavesden, about 20 miles outside of central London. Tickets sell out fast, like weeks, sometimes months in advance, especially in the high peak tourist season. We went in March and the tickets were sold out on the official website, so we had to go through a third party. And you can see this is June 2025 that I'm looking at availability on the calendar, and it's mostly sold out. I'm actually shocked there's any availability at all. It's just that popular. But if you're flexible, and especially if you're not renting a car like us, you might actually want to go through a third-party seller like we did. Yes, it's more expensive, but they included the round-trip bus transportation, and that made everything so much easier for us. The moment you walk in, there is this giant dragon above your head, the Harry Potter score playing in the background. I instantly started crying. Because if these stories were part of your childhood, if Harry, Ron, and Hermione felt like your people, this place hits you right in the nostalgia. My kids were definitely embarrassed of my happy tears, but I have no regrets. One of the coolest things, someone in your tour group might get chosen to open the actual doors to the Great Hall. 2 of our kids got to open the doors. I was the happiest parent alive. Yes, the real doors from the set. It's maybe even better than being sorted, maybe. Walking into that Great Hall, unreal. They've recreated a scene with the Weasleys flying around on broomsticks with fireworks exploding everywhere. It's a really cool immersive experience. You get a little glimpse into seeing how these studios were used when they were filming the movies. Step into the Forbidden Forest. The tech here is amazing. The atmosphere changes. It's eerie and moody and dark and magical, and honestly so well done. Now, yes, they do sell Butterbeer, but hot take, the Butterbeer ice cream is where it's at. I will say, it helps if you watch the films ahead of time. Our oldest was fully immersed. He got it, he remembered scenes, characters, background props. Our youngest hadn't seen as many of the movies yet, and while she enjoyed it, she didn't quite connect as well. So my tip, read the books or watch the movies together as a family before you go. If you're coming from the US, download the movies to a tablet for that long flight across the pond. It made such a difference. After years of wanting to visit, we finally made it, and it was everything I hoped it would be. This isn't just a museum. It's a full-on, heart-tugging, behind-the-scenes look at a world we grew up with. If you're a true Potterhead, you will not be disappointed. Just maybe bring some tissues and try not to cry in front of your kids, or do, because it's pure magic. If you liked this video, subscribe for more memory-making family adventures, and let us know in the comments if this tour is on your dream list or if you've already been.